Welcome to the Alpha Training and Consulting's online training program. Today I'm going to talk about a live stream class that we're offering. It's a CQE prep class to prepare you for the ASQ CQE certification, CQE meaning Certified Quality Engineer. It's a great certification. And we've been preparing people for this certification for a couple decades, so we have a lot of experience. I'm sure you'll enjoy the class. The start date is Tuesday, January 18th. The end date is Tuesday, April 26th. The frequency is we give a 2-hour live lecture every Tuesday from 12 to 2 p.m. That's in the Eastern time zone. The cost of the class is $750 per student plus shipping. Where's the shipping come in? Because we have class materials, and the class materials include 2 years access to your online account. Your online account has the whole class, all the lectures, all the associated exams, etc. And so if you miss a class, if you miss a live lecture, it's not a big deal. You can stay caught up to the schedule. And it also comes with the CQE primer, an excellent reference book. And it also has the CQE Instructor Notes, which are the instructor's PowerPoints, copies of those, so you can keep notes on those. And the TI-30XA calculator, which is a calculator that's allowed by ASQ to take in while you're taking their exams. So everything here is really what I've found. This is everything you need to prepare for the test. You can take the primer, the instructor notes, and the calculator into the testing center with you. So again, you should have everything you need. Well, now hopefully you're interested in registering for the class. To do that, you go to this website address, alphatc.talentlms.com. Do not put www in front of it. I don't know why, but it'll go to the Talent LMS homepage. We don't want you to go there. We want you to go to the Alpha TC page. So go alphatc.talentlms.com. Do not put www in front of it. All right, with that being said, that will take you to the Alpha TC website for this class, and you just select right here on our featured courses, Alpha CQE Quality Engineer, that's the one. You select right down here, click on it, and it will take you to the next page. And there's some information about the class. There's also another video concerning the class as well, if you want to listen to that. And it says, get this course for $750. That's the next step. Click on that. This will be the next thing that comes up, and you just push sign up. You'll enter the information, create an account. Now you're a member of the site, and you can come back to the home page. Remember, don't ever put www here. It'll take you to the wrong section of the site. Just alphactc.talentlms.com. Then go log in, enter your username and password that you created. That will take you into this screen here. Go to Course Catalog, select Get This Course, enter your information, check out, and you'll be ready for the class. If you have any questions, please contact me at john.lee@alphatc.com. I'll most certainly help you out. We would love to have you as a student. Thank you, and have a great day. Goodbye.